Hello students, let us solve more question of integration. Evaluate integrals of tan inverse root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x with respect to x. So I equals to integration tan inverse root. We know that students sin x, we can write sin x as cos pi by 2 minus x. And 1 plus sin x also we can write cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. That's why sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Now question, why we are writing this? Student, this is the inverse question. So we have to simplify first to find out its integration. So for simplifying, we are going to write sin x as cos pi by 2 minus x. Now students, the formula 1 minus cos theta. We know that 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. And 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. So 2 sin square, this is the theta. Pi by 2 minus x by 2, pi by 2 minus x by 2, and denominator 1 plus cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta means pi by 2 minus x by 2. 2 to cancel. Now it will become pi by 2 upon 2 minus x by 2 means pi by 4 minus x by 2. So sin square pi by 4 minus x by 2, similarly in denominator cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. There is square root sign, so we can write tan inverse sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. Because square and radical sign both will be cancelled. Sin upon cos, student, tan. So this statement can be write I equals to integration tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. So tan inverse tan x equals to x. So that's why tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 equals to pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Now you can see we have simplified this question. Okay. Now we will find out its integration. So pi by 4 integration pi by 4x minus x by 2 integration 1 by 2 as it is, x integration x square by 4 plus c. Now students, second question. Question number 2. Integration 2a upon root x minus b upon x square plus 3c cube root x square dx. Solution I equals to 2a. This can be written as x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus b, x square can be written as x to the power minus 2 plus 3c, and it can be written as x to the power 2 upon 3 dx. So easily we can find out integration sign. First of all, we will find out its integration, then second term, then third term integration. So its integral 2a x to the power n formula we have to apply here. So x to the power x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So n value minus 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So it will be 2a x to the power here half or x to the power half. So this half will go up, become 4. And x to the power half will remain as it is. Minus minus plus, because when we subtract minus 2 plus 1, then it will be plus. So its integral is x to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So minus minus 1 become plus, and here x to the power minus 1. Now third term integration, the same formula will be applied. 3c x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 upon 3 plus 1. So 3c x to the power 5 upon 3 upon 5 upon 3 plus c. Correct? So it is 4a root x. It can be written as b upon x plus 3 will come up. It will be 9 upon 5c x to the power 5 upon 3 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, students. Let us solve one more question. Question number 3. Integration 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. So, student, as you know that we have to remove the division and multiplication part to find out integration. So, here 1 plus cos x in denominator. So, let us rationalize it. So 1 plus upon 1 plus cos x is multiplied by 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. We can change the sign to rationalize the denominator. So it will be 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. 1 time plus 1 time minus. So 1 minus cos square x equals to sin square x. So integration 1 minus cos x upon sin square x dx. Now we can write them separately. So integrals of 1 upon sin square x minus cos x upon sin square x dx. So 1 upon sin square x, cosec square x. Cos upon sin, cot, or 1 upon sin, cosec. Cosec square x minus cosec x cot x dx. So cosec square x integral minus cot x and cosec x cot x integral minus cosec x. So minus cosec x, this minus n become plus. So its integration is minus cot x plus cosec x plus c. Now student, one question we are going to solve in which differentiation is given to us and we have to find out its function. So f dash x, a sin x plus b cos x. This is the derivative of fx given to us. And it is also given that the derivative value at 0 is 4. It is also given to us that the function value at 0 is 3 and function value at pi by 2 is 5. We have to find out function fx. So this derivative is given to us and the value of derivative at 0 is 4. So we are going to put x equal to 0. So a sin 0 plus b cos 0. So derivative at 0 is 4, it is given. So we can write here 4 equals to a sin 0 plus b cos 0. Sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1. A into 0, 0 plus b, it means b equal to 4. Now this differentiation is given to us a student. Let us put the value of b. B value is 4. So at the place of b we can write 4. So fx equals to, it's a integration. When differentiation is given to us, we have to find out function, then we will write derivative of integration of derivative. So fx equals to a sin x plus 4 cos x. What? Integration. So a sin x derivative minus a cos x. 4 cos x derivative 4 sin x plus c. So this is the function fx. Now student, value of fx is given at 0, 3. So we are going to put x equal to 0 in the function. So minus a cos 0 plus 4 sin 0 plus c. It is 3. So minus a cos 0 1 plus 4 sin 0 0 plus c. So c equals to minus a plus c equals to 3. This is equation 1. One more value is given to us student. The function value at pi by 2 is 5. So when we put here in function x value pi by 2, then it will be minus a cos pi by 2 plus 4 sin pi by 2 plus c. So its value is given to us 5. minus a cos pi by 2 0 plus 4 into 1 plus c. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 0 into minus a is 0. 5 minus 4 equals to c. C equals to 1. So fx equals to, we will put the value of a, b, c here in the derivative. So a value minus a value is, value of a is minus 2. Correct? Okay. We have got, student, here c value 1 and c value we can put here to get the value of a. So it will become 3 equals to minus a plus 1. Correct? So 1 will transfer this side, become 2. 3 equals to minus a, minus 2 equals to minus a equal to minus 2. So a value minus 2 we can put here. So become plus 2 cos x plus 4 sin x, c value 1. So this is the function 2 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 1. Okay friends.